Hi, my name's Sydney Lehman, and the disease that I am studying is the Huntington disease. An inherited disorder known as the Huntington's disease causes the neurons in some areas of the brain to slowly disintegrate and die. The illness targets different parts of the brain, including those involved in regulation of voluntary intentional movement. Individuals with Huntington's disease, HG, experience strange body postures involving dance-like movements, chorea, and behavioral, emotional, cognitive, and personality issues. The Huntington's disease is an autosomal dominant, meaning an inheritance of a single copy of an abnormal chromosome from a biological parent is enough to cause it. If one parent carries this gene, each of the children has a 50% chance of the Huntington's disease. The HTT allele is responsible for this disease that is caused by a mutation located on chromosome 4. The gene is found in every human being and contains a CAG repeat sequence. The average diagnosis for this disease is 49 years old. The average age of death is 58 years old. The overall mortality rate was 2.27 per million population per year, and the median survival period is estimated at 15 through 18 years after the symptoms begin. This Huntington disease began in the European ancestry and affected 3 out of 7 per 100 people. It also affected regions in North America and Africa. Some symptoms associated with this disease are thinking and planning problems, trouble sleeping, fatigue and loss of energy, thoughts of death, dying, or suicide, behavior changes. Some signs are doctors can test thinking, balance, walking ability, depression, speech issues, and also a brain scan. To see if you have Huntington's disease, in general, doctors use a combination of tests and other information to see if a person has the Huntington's disease. This includes medical history, neurologic and lab tests, brain imaging, and genetic testing. Also, they do blood tests to see if they have the antibodies. People usually die from the disease within 15 to 20 years of developing symptoms. If you've been diagnosed or at a risk for Huntington's disease, it is critical to maintain your physical fitness and best you can. People who exercise regularly and stay in shape do better than those who don't. No treatments can alter the course of Huntington's disease, but medicines can lessen some symptoms of movement and mental health conditions. The medicine you take may change over the course of the disease depending on your overall treatment goals. Medicines to control movement includes tetrabenazine, deutetrabenazine, and valbenazine. Medicines to control mental health, antidepressants include citalopram, escitalopram, Lexapro, and Prozac. Huntington's is a genetic disease. You cannot do anything to prevent it if you've inherited it. Here are my sources, and thank you for watching.